How to fix Epic Game Launcher crashing on start. For this first step, we need to open up settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're having the older version means go to the official website of Microsoft and download and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++. After that, click three dot icon, click modify and click repair. You need to do it for both 64-bit and 86-bit, and also you need to download and install both 64 and 86-bit. Once complete after, close it and come to next step. Search for run or else you can press window plus or type the following text. Local app percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. In this you need to scroll down and search for Epic Game Launcher and click web cache. Delete the web cache. Once delete it complete after you need to close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Epic Game Launcher and make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the option itself not having means you need to go to allow another app, click browse and you need to add it. For easy method, come outside, right click open file location of the Epic Game Launcher, copy address in the top side, come back and click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Once you getting after, click it and add it. Click add option in the bottom side. I already have so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public mode. After completing close it and come to next step. Search, right click, click properties, click compatibility and make sure run the program as administrator. You should be in enable and disable full screen optimization should be in disable mode. Click apply and OK. Last and final steps, search for run or else press window plus or and type the following text appwiz.cpl and click OK. In this you need to click Epic Game Launcher and click repair option and you can check it. If the still it's not working means you need to uninstall it. Go to the official website of Epic Game Launcher, download and install the latest version. Thank you.